Hi everyone, welcome back to our small engine repair tutorial. Today we have a Makita ER2650LH 4-stroke trimmer. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel line kit. Let's get started. To replace a fuel line kit, you need to remove the air filter cover. Just undo the screw and remove the air filter cover. Now remove the top fuel line and the intake fuel line. Now we can remove the grommet from the bottom. Now we can remove the fuel line, the whole fuel line. Okay, now we have to replace with the new fuel line kit. For Australian customers, you can purchase the Makita fuel line kit from our eBay store or our Vtech website. Go to our eBay store and click Air, Fuel and Exhaust, Oil and Fuel Line Kit, and look for fuel line kit. Search Makita ER2650LH Trimmer. Now insert the fuel filter into the fuel tank and also place the grommet. Now insert the grommet on the side first. You can use a flat head, but make sure that it's not too short, like this one. Now just grommet is in and place the fuel line back. So put a little bit of lubricant and insert the fuel line. And place the air filter back. That's all good. Thanks for watching our video repair tutorial for today. I hope you enjoy our videos. Please give us a big thumbs up if you found it useful and informative. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos, and see you next time.